Hi everyone, 您好 Welcome to Smart Mandarin Focus on Characters. 我是 Maggie, 您好吗 If this is your first time to visit our channel, please subscribe. This is what we believe is the best way to learn Mandarin. Today we are going to look at basic strokes. Did you know that Han characters are a combination of strokes? Strokes don't represent the sounds or meanings. This is the fundamental difference between Hanyu and alphabet languages. The most common stroke. These three characters contain the same stroke, which is a 9. 1, 2, 3, meaning 1, 2, 3. The order of writing Han characters, generally speaking, is from left to right and from top to bottom. Let's practice these three characters. 1. Just one horizontal line. 2. Two lines. Please note that the bottom one is slightly longer. 3. 3 lines. And if we make it look better, then the middle one is slightly shorter and the bottom one is slightly longer. 1, 2, 3. Now let's look at this character, 10. It contains two strokes, which is a horizontal line and a vertical line. And generally speaking, to write this kind of character, the order is horizontal first and then vertical. Let's practice this character. 1, 2. Two strokes. 10. However, when I say the order of writing these characters, these are not a hard rule. I think we teach people to write this way. First of all, it's because most of the Chinese people are right-handed, and in this way, perhaps it's easier and is quicker. But if you are left-handed and you prefer to write from right to left, or even from bottom to top, that is fine as long as you feel it's quick and is easy to remember. Space between characters. Unlike alphabet languages, there is space between words, and there are shorter words and longer words. But between Han characters, there is no space. However, it's very easy to recognize each character, because they will use the same space. For example, this is the title of a Taiwan comedy play, 1, 2, 3, 起步走, meaning 1, 2, 3, ready, go. So you can see it's very easy to recognize they're using the same space. When we started to learn writing Chinese characters, we will use these worksheets to practice and to write it beautifully. 1, 2, 3, 10. Now is magic time. If you know these four characters, you will be able to read and write a lot more numbers. 11, that's 11. 12, that's 12. 13, that's 13. 20, 20. 30, 30. 21, 21. 22, 22. 23, 23. And then 31, 31, 32, 32, and 33, 33. For other common strokes, this character, Yong Forever, is a good way to practice, because it contains most of the other common strokes. Now here, I illustrated in green parts. For example, a dot, a horizontal line, a bend, a vertical line with a hook, and that we just practiced, and this one, right fallen stroke, and then left fallen stroke. Now let's look at how we write it. The order is showing here. From top, a dot, and the center, this is count as one stroke, and then left and right. Let's have a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's practice and write it beautifully. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yong. Let's try again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 strokes. If you have practiced the Yong and comfortable with it, then let's break down all the strokes you already know. First one is the most popular one, a horizontal line, and then vertical line, and a dot, vertical line with a hook, and the 2 lines together. And then we also learned 2 together with a hook. And then this one bent. And we also learned this one and that one. So all those we call strokes and count as 1. That's all for today. We learned some basic strokes, some numbers, and Yong Forever. If you are interested in learning writing Chinese characters, you can look at my book, Writing Chinese Characters. In this book, I visualize the characters with images, and then you can practice step by step for about 40 characters. This book is now available at eBay. The link is in the description. Thank you for watching. 谢谢，再见. If you like our video, please subscribe and give us a thumb up. See you next time.